How did afterward a two-person startup with me as a solo developer create a better user experience compared to OpenAI, an organization with 700 employees, which is valued at over $80 billion? Okay, I'll get to the point. This is what I'm talking about. Here, I have asked ChatGPT to generate an essay. Now, I want to copy this essay and I want to paste it in a Google Doc or a Word document. Now, you see what has happened. There's some black background which I don't want, there's some text coloration which I don't want. Now, I'm sure I can fix this, but I don't know how. I still haven't learned it, and it is going to waste my time and is a bad user experience. Okay, let's try something else. They have a copy button here. Let's try that. Okay, now this is better, but the problem is this is markdown. While it is a standard and open format, most people don't want markdown. Neither do I at this point of time. When you're copying into a Google Doc or a Word doc, you don't want markdown. Now, let's see how we implemented this at Afternoon. Okay, this is afterward. This is the home page. Let's move to some saved content, right? And let's try and copy the first para here. See, now look at this. It came out perfectly. It did not copy the dark background, only the text. The original text is in orange and white, but the final result is in black. If you move from light dark mode to light mode and afterward, and then copy, you still get the same result. Right? We've taken care of that. Now, if you want to copy, use a copy button. You can do that. Also, it'll copy the entire text, obviously, and not just the first para. Right. And here we go. And this is how it should be. You know, the user experience of copying text from ChatGPT is horrible.